Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to CarsCorp. I'm your host Mark, and in this video, I'll be reviewing the Ferrari's new hybrid hypercar F80. Ferrari has unveiled its new performance flagship, the F80, an electrifying hypercar that heralds a new era for the legendary Italian automaker. The F80 boasts a futuristic and aggressive exterior design that complements its blistering performance. Exotic bodywork, active aerodynamic elements, and sleek lines evoke the brand's rich racing heritage. At the heart of the F80 lies a revolutionary plug-in hybrid powertrain that combines a mid-mounted twin-turbo 3-liter V6 engine with 3 electric motors, culminating in an astonishing 1,184 horsepower. This formidable output propels the F80 from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 2.2 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 124 miles per hour. Inside the cabin, the focus is on clarity and control with a minimalist approach to technology. A small, flat-sided steering wheel and a digital gauge cluster dominate the interior, prioritizing immediate access to vital information. Climate controls reside on a secondary, smaller display on the center console. The powertrain incorporates advanced technology derived from Ferrari's Formula One racing team, ensuring unparalleled performance and handling. All-wheel drive, an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and an active suspension system with 48-volt electric motors contribute to the F80's exceptional dynamics. The Ferrari F80 is a highly exclusive machine, with pricing expected to start around $3 million. It joins the brand's lineup of performance models for the 2026 model year. The Ferrari F80 represents a pivotal moment in the company's history, merging the latest automotive technology with the brand's timeless allure. Its electrifying performance, innovative design, and extreme exclusivity make it a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. Subscribe to CarsCorp to stay up to date on the latest news about the upcoming cars and be among the first to experience the aesthetic blend of style and performance.